Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, a bit of a different video. I do have a huge giveaway, which I will let you know about that a little bit later on. But without further ado, if you are interested in this sort of content, which I don't really know what it is yet, make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. So today, again, I am going to tell you guys that I'm going to be giving away one more course enrollment to the SellerPro Academy, one more scholarship, because I did it for 4 weeks. It was wicked. I felt really good about it. Lots of people claimed their prize, lots of people didn't, but we did give away 4 enrollments, which is really, really cool, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to give away loads of other stuff on today's video, so stick around until kind of towards the end of the video to find out about that. But today I just want to take you through kind of generally a little bit more about what I'm doing on a daily basis. So today I've got quite an interesting day, something that I don't do really that often. In fact, I've actually never done this this kind of sort of day before. So I've just done a little bit of cleaning up. We've kind of made the desk a little bit cleaner because today I'm actually going to be recording a lot of adverts. As you guys know, if you are subscribed to the channel, if you watch the videos, if unfortunately you do click on my Instagram page, you're going to get some ads delivered to you. Because that's just how ads work. You know, I retarget people and you know, that's how ads work. So today what we're going to be doing is doing a whole load of ads for the one product strategy. I released this, I want to say 2-3 weeks ago. I kind of released this. I've been working on it for a long time. But I want to do some more ads because my old ones were a little bit outdated. They have some ad fatigue. That's what happens with ads over a period of time. So an ad that works for you today may not work for you in 2 months' time. And that's particularly if you're doing YouTube or Facebook ads. So if you're doing this for yourself, for your own products, for anything you ever do, then just be aware of that. The ads do get fatigue and they start to get more expensive. So we want to keep the cost down as low as possible. We don't want to spend a crazy amount of money. And in other news, talking about ads, actually, the Hydrofuel ads, which I want to say I told you guys about, but I'm not sure. So I'm working with a company called Vids. They're a wicked company. They do adverts specifically for physical products, right? They do a lot of work with people that do kind of drop shipping and stuff like that. But we connected quite a long time ago. This is before I actually launched the Hydrofuel bottle. We connected with the owner, and we wanted to do something together, and I wanted to send some bottles off to them to, you know, just so they can create an advert. And I actually forgot about it for quite a while. When I had the blue bottles come in, so the blue ones just here, I'll show you guys, we've got some blue ones in there. Hey, that one's upside down. Let's put that. Okay, that's fine. So I got talking with them a few weeks ago, and what I did is as soon as I got the blue bottles in, I sent a couple to America, which is where they're based, and they have recorded a video, like a viral video ad for the Hydrofuel bottle. So that has been finished. I'm just waiting for them to kind of finish the editing process and send it over to me, and at which point I'm probably going to do an interview with them just over Skype or something like that, and get them to talk through the recording process and what makes a really good advert. So kind of stick around for that one. That's going to be a really interesting one, especially if you want to start first of all advertising your products on Google, on Facebook, that sort of stuff, but also if you're fortunate enough to have the enhanced brand content where you can add a video to your listing, then of course that's brilliant. You can add videos to your listing as well. Unfortunately, I don't actually have that ability. It's a beta program at the moment in the UK, I believe. I'm not sure about the US. It may be a real thing in the US. In the UK, at least, it's a beta program, so not everyone has access. And I do not have access, unfortunately. So that's what we're doing today. We've got a whole bunch of stuff. Will is coming around. You guys might remember Will. Let's see, he's not here quite yet.
Hello.
Bye now. No, you can stay out. Go back in. No, you can come in, Will. There's a cat.
There is a cat.
And there's a Will. Will, thank you for the coffee. Cheers to that. Lovely. You're in the dark a bit. Let's go outside a bit. All right, Will, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Can you tell everybody how we met?
Yeah, absolutely. So I used to work at Apple with Jonny about 2.5 years ago.
It was longer than that, mate. It was longer
than that.
A lot longer, yeah.
Up in
I
Norwich.
haven't worked for Apple for ages.
Yeah, it feels like a lifetime ago now. And then while I was still at uni, then I went and worked in the design agency. But while I was on that, I saw kind of Jonny's success with Amazon FBA, obviously for his YouTube channel, and decided I need to quit my job and do something similar.
So what did you do?
I quit my job, started a social media agency.
But how much money were you making when you quit your job?
18 grand a year.
No, like from your agency.
Oh, okay, from my agency, zero.
So so what made that decision? Like why did you, because it was quite risky, right?
Yeah.
How did you make that decision?
Basically, I wouldn't have done it if I hadn't have I just thought, okay, I've got to go all in. I'm not putting in the effort of doing my job and my agency. I need to go all in on my agency. So yeah, I just took the leap and just went for it.
That's cool.
The first few months were shit, like really bad. Like sometimes I was doing jobs for like 10 quid and stuff like this. But then started working with Jonny, things started picking up, and yeah, it's good. Now I'm living off a laptop, literally.
Woo! All right. Okay. So what would be, I guess, the for anyone, because it doesn't matter what business I think you do, what would be the thing that made the biggest difference?
The thing that made the biggest difference was it's been mindset throughout the whole thing. So like I said, I've been doing ads before. Not so much the actual running the ads, but the content side of it I did a lot more of. Constantly investing in myself. Like I've bought just about every course out there. It's kind of ridiculous.
Will is literally a course junkie.
I am. Like it's gross. I think if you can see it on like my LinkedIn and stuff, I think it's something like 22 courses. I just went all in, just trying to get like extra kind of nuggets and stuff. But the reality is, like, you don't need all these courses. You just need to buy one, kind of commit to it, and just go for it. And that's kind of the biggest thing. But definitely investing in yourself, changing your mindset. That's been the biggest kind of takeaway.
Nice. And what is it that you kind of do for me now?
So now I do
quite a lot, to be honest.
Yeah, I do quite a lot. So I do bits of design. I help with.
There's a cat.
There is a cat.
Sorry, there's more. Interesting.
Do bits of design, help with kind of the Amazon products, all the like listing images, do all the design side of it.
So you did all the hydrofuel stuff?
Yes.
You did?
Yeah, for both that and the brand registry. And then I now do all your ads, SellerPro, get people in, get people out Amazon FBA and get them doing a similar sort of stuff.
Lovely, but you don't really do design workers for clients anymore, do you?
No, not so much. It's weird. I do enjoy it, but I don't really do. Yeah, I prefer to do the design stuff on like my own personal projects, my own agency, and then leave the just Facebook ads basically for most clients now.
Wicked, love it. So what are we doing today?
Yeah, we've got like a new ad strategy. We're going to be promoting SellerPro, getting some more people in, hopefully.
The one product strategy.
The one product strategy.
Which I'm trademarking, by the way.
Yes.
I've sent off the trademark. I've paid for my trademark, so we can put the little TM on it.
Beautiful.
As of today.
So yeah, we're just shooting loads of ads, and then we'll get those all up later today, and yeah, get it going. All right, so we've taken a little break, and we are currently just going on somewhere to go and record some more adverts that you'll see very soon, guys. They'll probably be on your news feeds very soon. But we're in an enclosed area with the C63, so of course we have to give it a full send. You haven't seen them? No.
So you designed them, but you haven't actually seen them? No. What do you think?
Yeah, they're wicked. Get some of those out.
Well, we've got some here. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. So yeah, Will designed all of those. I'd say he's a good designer. He's always kind of looking at stuff to be high quality. It's kind of like everything we talk about with the strategy, right? Like everything has to be spot on. You do it right, do it once. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I'm going to be giving away enrollment to the SellerPro Academy, and it is not on this video. This is where I'm kind of like I'm tricking you guys. I'm not ready. But I had a wicked article written, I guess, about me, for me. I don't really know. I don't know the right terminology. But someone interviewed me and they went through all the interviews I've done previously and all my content, all the course and all that sort of stuff. And they've written a really, really decent article. It's probably about a 15-minute read and it's on medium.com. So it's a kind of a really established platform. And what I'm going to do is, if you go and click the link that's going to be in the description, which will be the link for the article, go and give it a read because it's going to be really valuable. I talk about the kind of 7 secrets to, I guess, 6-figure FBA success, and a lot of this is about kind of mindset and competencies, which we spoke about earlier as one of the most important things. Go and read that, really, really valuable. But if you want to be able to win enrollment to the SellerPro Academy for one person, I am going to enroll you completely 100% for free, like I have done on last month's videos. All you have to do is go to the article, read it, scroll down to the bottom, and you need to create an account with Medium, which is nice and easy, nice and quick to do. You can sign in with Facebook or Google, and then write a little comment, and I think it's called write a response of what you thought about the article, and make sure you just sign it off with your name, just because I need to make sure I can then like get in contact with you. Or how do I do this? I'm going to do it on Instagram. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it like I did previously. So make sure you comment, and then on Instagram I will actually let you know who the winner is, and then you can reach out to me. But put your name there, so at least I know who it is that you are. And then if I have the ability to comment on your comment, I will do that as well. I'm going to give you guys 48 hours, so 2 days to be able to go and do this. So I'm going to give you a little bit more time than previously. Also, the other thing I want you to do is, you have this ability to like clap the article, and you hold your cursor down, or you tap the screen, you hold it down, you can give up to 50 claps, and that does something within their algorithm, so we can kind of boost the article basically to their homepage, and also so we can obviously boost it on Google and everything like that. So you guys are going to help me out massively with just a bit of search engine optimization, a bit of traffic, all that sort of stuff. You're obviously going to be able to read the content, which is really, really valuable. But also, one person is going to win SellerPro Academy, which is crazy, crazy valuable. So you are in it to win it. Only comment once, please. Don't start spamming the comments, because who knows what's going to happen. Only comment once. And yeah, good luck to all of you, I guess. What I might do as well, I might pick maybe 10 people, because if we spin around here, as I showed you earlier, we've got a whole bunch of hydrofoil bottles which aren't really doing much. So what I'll do is I'll probably pick a few more people, and I'll send you out hydrofoil bottles as well. But that is it for today's video. Go and do that right now. Feel free to share it on Instagram or Facebook. You'll get bonus points for doing that. If you share it and you tag me in it as well, like on Facebook, I'll probably pick something else to give you guys as well. I don't know what I'll do, but it'll be a nice surprise. So yeah, if you want to share it, then you get extra bonus points, and I'll probably do something special for you. If you enjoyed this video, this is a bit more behind the scenes, then give it a thumbs up, give it a little comment on here, and of course make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Bye bye.